The following video is not sponsored by Fancy Feast, the only moist cat food I trust to keep CC moist. Okay guys, I'm going to try to return this. The one I dropped off the ladder there. Smashed with a sledgehammer. Let's see if they take it back. Yeah, that's pretty good. See if I could exchange this. It broke. Thought it was a little tougher.
What happened to it?
I dropped it off the ladder. But...
yeah, that's it. You just want to swap it?
Yeah, swap it out.
Okay.
I got the receipt.
I've got another one of the same size on the far pallet there on the back side. Yep.
Okay.
There's the small one's right next to that. I should have one more there.
Okay.
Is that one the same size?
Yeah.
Or is that smaller?
No, it's same.
Perfect. There you go.
I hear these are pretty good.
Yeah, they work alright. From what I've been told.
Yeah.
There you go, you're all set.
Alrighty, cool. Thanks, boss. Man, they took it back, boys. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. They gave me a new one. They gave me a new one. You have to get the manager to override it because I had a coupon. I guess I bought it originally. So the manager even came. He didn't even really look at it, the manager. Very cool about it. I love Harbor Freight.